Hello, welcome to Desi Keto Recipe. And today I'm going to make bullet coffee mix of Keto5 Wellverse company. So they claim it have 3.7 gram net carb per serving. And you can see here that 2 scoops contain 10 gram. And come to the ingredients. So it have of course instant coffee, whey protein, MCT powder, and look at the price. Actually, I got it in discounted price, so it is not 499 for me. And let's make it. So first of all, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon, as 1 tablespoon have 12 grams. Okay, I think that's okay. And one more. Little bit more because I love strong coffee. That's it. Actually, I'm using this product for at least 1 month, and as far as come here, this is very nice product. But a little bit taste wise you have to compromise because it's not exactly smooth, and it doesn't have that taste like which we made at home. But for students or person who, so as I told you, I'm using this product for 1 month at least, so it came very nice. And for students or working people, this is really very good because I'm a student and I really don't have time to wash lots of utensil and to make it. So taste wise you have to compromise it because it's really far away than the bullet coffee which you make at home. But it have MCT oil and whey protein, so okay, for that we can compromise. And I ordered almost eight packets because I loved it. And I ordered keto MCT powder also, because I want to make my own coffee, and whenever I will use this I'll tell you about it. But for now, this is really for me a good product, came out very well. And actually I'm using Wellverse products from past 3-2 months maybe, I don't remember, but I think 3 months. As we are in keto, so we are not allowed to have so these almond fudge cookies I'm using as my like. And this keto bhujia, actually I loved bhujia. I was in keto, I was missing bhujia, so I used also Wellverse keto bhujia, and this came out very well. Okay, now yeah, did you like my cups? Actually I ordered recently from Amazon, and I have in 6 different colors. So these are 2, actually one of I'm not going to drink both of them, but one of them is mine and one actually of my friend. I invited him to review my coffee. Actually I like my coffee, but I don't know you people will whether like it or not. Yeah, it's taste wise we have to compromise. I'm just telling you, if you have time to make your own coffee at home, then make it, because own made bullet coffee is texture wise and taste wise is better than this. But if you don't have time to make it, then it's good. Okay, that's all for today. And please like, share and subscribe channel, because I'm making lots of effort. And okay, bye bye. If you have any suggestion or any complaint, you can tell it in comment box. Okay, bye bye. And I added little bit of butter in it because its taste is not very good, because I don't like taste of whey protein. That's why, to minimize that whey protein taste, I added little bit butter. So you can also add to give it a creamy texture and change its taste little bit. If you want strong coffee, you can add coffee powder also, because I know you will not like its taste in but when you drink it every day, you will get acquired to it. So okay, bye bye.